Hi everyone. So today we are doing part 2 of the Carmons quilting. Let me show you. Carmons Quilt Shop Advent box. So this is her first year making an Advent box. And she gifted this to me for Christmas. Thank you, Carmen. So we had already opened 1 through 8, I believe. And so what I have now is I have 9 through 16. So I'm going to come in here. And you know what? I realized that this actually uses that other. I think I can make this work. Let's see. Yep, I can make it work. Okay. So we have the cute little box. Says Merry Christmas. In here, we have Fabric Cafes, Easy Street, a value of $5.99. So she has that in here. Oh, here, she's got SKU numbers for me. So here it is. Do you see? I don't know, can you see that? I am having, there we go. And again, just in case if you didn't see before, we have this. Wow, we are going to have fun. Now we have 10 and 10. I'm gonna open that up. Let's see. All right, ooh. So this says Sweet But Twisted. Naughty is on here. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on in here. All right. So, oh, this is kind of cute. I've never seen fabric like this. As good as you look, who would be jealous? Now, if only we could remember it all. Life can be messy. So it's like, look, like little cooking ladies. They're all cooking. That's kind of funny. That is really funny. And then we have another half yard. And remember, when you do a 3-yard quilt, you can put 2 half yards in it. And let's see, that last pattern that we had is Easy Street. So you see, you can cut this fabric out, even though it's 2 half yards, and you could put them in the different, oh, can you see it? In the different blocks, the big blocks, because I'm thinking that would be super cute and funny. Look at that. Growing old sure isn't for wimps. Oh my goodness, the sayings on here are hysterical. Yes, they are so funny. That would be a funny 3-yard quilt. All right, so I'm going to actually put that together. Now we are at 11. Oh, wait, here it is. 2 half yard cuts. And it is day 10. Now we have day 11. Day 11, let's see. Okay, this is a panel. Let's see, can you see that? There it goes. And I'm saving these boxes. That's why I'm being so careful with them right now. Oh, wow. And remember, she gave us a panel apron. So the other flower was, I don't recall, palm. It was palm. And this is a violet. Look at that. Look at that. Big, vibrant colors. Yep. We have, look at that. That is beautiful. All right, so we have that. And this is from Wildflower. Exclusively for Northcott. So we have that. We'll put this aside. Wow. And I'll put that on there. And then we have 13. 13. 13, 13, 13. And it says Christmas loading. It's got like little cars on there. Ooh, we have here, oh, here we go. We have 2 half-yard cuts, Hoppy Easter gnome fabric. Here is that right there. And we have these 2 here. We have this Easter and we have this Easter. And these are Hoppy Easter Gnomies by Henry Glass. So we have these 2 for your Easter projects. Again, if you wanted to turn this into a 3-yard quilt, you could. You just substitute these 2 half yards for your yardage. 14 here. I'm opening it up. Ooh, more fabric. Who doesn't like fabric? All right, we have day 14, and we have a full yard. Look at that. That is beautiful. And this is Hello Gorgeous by Northcott. Hello Gorgeous is nice. Look at this. Can I just show you something here? This is that violet panel. And look, I think these go together beautifully. It's like the same blue. So that is really awesome. Let's go with, oh, I did this out of order because I forgot to open 12. I'm all over the place. Let's see. Oh, I definitely am all over the place because here is more of the Easter Nomi fabric. And we have here it is, I'm not sure what this is classified. It's a half yard, but the half yard is so like the width of it is a yard, but the length, this part here is a half a yard right across. So is this a, let's see, fat quarter? So is this a fat half? This might be a fat half. We're gonna call this a fat half. So we have this. So that goes with our Nomi homey fabric right here. That goes with that. Then we have 15. I feel fabric again. I feel the fabric. Let's see. Ooh, this is a 1-yard cut. It's called Northcott, basically black and white. And there it is. Look at that. And this is a yard. This may go with, hold on, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I'm getting thoughts. You know me with my thoughts. And then we have 16. I am going to open that up. I don't know what just fell over there. Ooh. This is a table runner and pillow pattern. Right here. And I'm going to pull this out. This is from Quilted Hearts. You need 1/8 yard assorted prints or 1 5-inch square pack of 6. 1 5-inch square pack. Oh, 1 charm pack or 6 fat 8s. Gotcha. 1 yard of light and 3/4 yard of dark and contrasting fabric. So this is what it looks like. That's beautiful. That is really beautiful. So I would say if you didn't want to go with the other, you could almost use this as like a background, right? And then put something, if you really wanted to go wild and crazy, and I'm not big into that, but you could go wild and crazy, and you could cut this up in 5-inch squares, and you would get all different like pieces. And then that would be like your dark, right? Let me look at this. There's so many possibilities. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so many thoughts. I mean, I thought that would be a good 3-yard quilt, but I don't know. We'll see. I like that. You know, you sometimes have to think out of the box. Sometimes out of the box. So here we have it. And thank you. Thank you so much. I'm going to have so much fun of thinking what I'm going to make, what I'm going to do with all this stuff. And I'm so excited because it's all inspiring. So if you don't know who Carmen is, go visit her website. She's an online store, but she's also has a brick and mortar store in, am I going to say that right? It's in Missouri. So definitely check her out. And maybe next year you can order an advent box. But I don't know. You should call her because maybe she has some now. I'm really not sure. But thank you so much for this wonderful surprise gift from, thank you, Carmen. Thank you for sending me this and cheering me up. And I want to say to everybody, thank you for watching. And please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Let me know what your favorite item is in this box. See you soon. Bye.